Hello traders. Today, 23rd of Jan 2025. The market is challenging today. I think they're waiting for the president's speech this evening at 4 p.m. London time. After that, we are expecting some volatility, but we managed very decent analysis this morning, even yesterday at the New York session. Let me share with you how we analyze the market and help our traders to squeeze amazing profit even in a challenging situation. So let's look at the pound dollar. And if you look at the pound dollar, as you have seen in my previous analysis, our bias was long. So yesterday at the New York session, when the price hit this level, so we explained possibility of price action here. So we had this counter short trade and beautiful short trade. Even today was basically we focused on short trade here. So as explained my trader, if the price is going to respect, then might gonna be a continuation to the downside. Well, let's see here. We are now waiting to price break this sideways and then give us a clear direction. We have a speech today, 4 p.m. London time, President Trump. We'll see how that's going to make impact. So if the price gonna break, then probably going to be looking for pullbacks long here. If the price going to break and give us the confirmation, then short trade here. We'll see how that's gonna go. But right now, as I said to my trader, just stay away. Let the market, let the news release, and we can look at the opportunity. But let me share with you how we analyze the market. That was a pretty straightforward, and we have this counter short trade from here. So that is the analysis we did, and as explained, which is a pretty straightforward. As you can see, the price developed high and low, and this is the low we were expecting if the price gonna break. But if you look at here, the price broken after the breakout price retest, that give us the confirmation. We have impulsive correction, so we have another pullback, which is we explained through live RD commentary, and price nicely hit to the first target, which is the previous low. And as explained, my trader, it's time to bank some profit. So after banking some profit, we explain look for another pullback at this level. And as I said to you guys, we constantly updating our analysis. So that was the beautiful pullback. And you can see here the price nicely developed one pullback, second pullback as based on the momentum. As long as the price does not break any recent high, we were looking for pullback short. Very decent profit this morning. We had it. After that, the market is consolidating. You can see here the no clear direction here. So we're expecting let the price break this one. So let's see how that's gonna go. All right, let me share with you the pound yen. We had amazing trade, guys. As you can see here, as you have seen in my previous analysis, we had it beautiful a long trade here yesterday. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis, the video link given in the video description. So we had this beautiful. After that, we also had a long trade here, short trade here, and long and short. Let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. So if you look at right now, what I can see here, if you look at the previous price action, we have this impulsive. So sort of like I can see here, this is price is developing a consolidation. So as the point of interest for us, as explained by trader, looking for this breakout. As you can see, the price previously respected. We haven't seen any candle close. So let me share with you guys how we analyze it. Technically, if you look at here, the price develop a double top here. So every time when the market comes here, say guys, take a short trade here. So let me share with you guys how we analyze the market. So if you look at the analysis, which is we did from this was the long pullback long here, and let me share with you guys. Okay, that was a pretty straightforward. We have this impulsive reaction, and as explained yesterday at the New York session. So looking for point of interest, this one. As you can see here, the price nicely broken after the breakout price retest. Another pullback, beautiful long trade. And afterwards, we have another beautiful short trade here. Once the price hit at the resistance level, this is the area we were looking a short trade here. That was the beautiful short trade. As you can see here, the price nicely developed sideways market and beautiful breakout short trade here. Once the price broken, as I explained my trader, there might be a possibility one more push to side, but we are looking for this breakout because if we are, so that's where we did another analysis instantly. And let me share with you guys. This is the analysis we had it. As mentioned here, look for pullback, which if you look at the price nicely broken and it give us the confirmation, beautiful long trade hit to the previous high. That's what I explained. it's time to consider banking some profit. Once the price double top here, that might be a possibility of pullback or continuation, pullback, continuation long, or might be a counter opportunity. Then we did another analysis, and that is, you can see here, and that was the counter short trade opportunity, which is a pretty straightforward. As explained to our trader, the price has broken this one. So let's see if we don't see the pullback here. And after the breakout, any pullback would be the sign of continuation to the downside. So you can see here, pretty straightforward as mentioned here in the analysis. So price nicely broken. After the breakout, price nicely retest, give us the confirmation. Then we have another pullback hit to the fifth channel. That's what we explain our traders time to consider tightening your stop loss or consider banking some pips. After this one, we also had another pullback, short trade here or breakout. Let me share with you guys. This is pretty straightforward. We were expecting here another pullback. Uh, Price developed this channel, which is a pretty standard and straightforward. You can see here the price nicely respected and hit to the profit target, which is basically being an intraday. As explained, consider banking some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. And afterwards, we have another beautiful short trade here, which is a pretty straightforward, and that's a New York session. We always look for the traders to explain, let the price develop certain structure and give us the, sort of like a high probability. Even if you look ahead, the price respected here, you can see here. So if you draw a straight line, so we were looking here, if the price gonna break one of these, then looking for because Bias was short based on the 4 hour analysis, so we were mainly interested in short here. So price nicely broken. Even if the price breakout retest third time, I say guys, pay attention to detail. Either tight your stop loss or consider banking some profit. That was another beautiful short trade we had it. And afterward, I said to the trader, let's wait for another price action. So then we had it. And this is the last trade we had it. As you can see here, our bias was short, so we were expecting here look for this one, and pretty standard. You can see how price develop double top here and broken this low, as explained. Another short trade here, buying few more pp's. So even you can see here we have a challenging market, but within the challenging market, how we analyze the entries through live intraday analysis. So you can see here the price is respecting, and within this range, how we analyze the market, both short and long, and helping our trader to squeeze amazing profit. We'll see how this gonna go. If the price gonna respect, then might be a pullback long here, but we'll see. And we also had another beautiful trade on dollar yen, and we had also had a short trade, counter short trade on euro USD. Let me share with you guys euro USD. As you have seen, our bias was long, and as explained to our trader, the price developed a false breakout at the Asian session, so that might be a possibility of short trade. We had this beautiful short trade here. Let me share with you guys euro USD. That was a pretty standard and straightforward counter opportunity as soon as the price developed downside. So as explained to my trader, price refused to break one of these high. As you can see, that's the what we need. We're looking at certain structure. As you can see, the price previously respected. So beautiful breakout. After the breakout, price retest. As soon as the price hit to the previous low, that's what explained it's time to consider banking some profit. That was a beautiful trade. We also had amazing analysis for the dollar yen. Let me show you guys. All right, so you can see here dollar yen. We had a nice, beautiful. You can see right now the price is respecting the support level. We had a nice long trade here after that yesterday. Then we had a nice, beautiful short trade. And if you look at the candlestick pattern, we have bearish engulfing candle. So this is another sign of continuation for short. So we had a nice, beautiful short trade here. Probably we might be looking a long opportunity here. So let me share with you guys how we analyze um, dollar yen. So dollar yen, if you look at here, we had this beautiful yesterday, a long trade here, bank amazing profit. Once the price hit this profit target, and afterwards we had a counter short trade opportunity, which is a pretty straightforward. You can see a beautiful short trade, and then afterwards we have another beautiful short trade, which is again as a counter opportunity, which we explain our trader. As soon as the price reverse, as explained, let the price break the structure. As you can see here, the price nicely broken. As soon as the price hit this level, that's what explained. it's time to consider banking some profit or move your stop loss at the break even. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. As you have seen, within even a challenging market, how as a being an intraday trader, how we analyze the market through intraday analysis, and helping our traders so at least they can squeeze some pips. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna enjoy when you see all this analysis in real time. So most welcome. Join our fast-growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Until next time, all the best.